Man, it's been a minute since I made a video. It's been about, I don't know, 3 weeks or so, which is the longest I've gone without making a video since I moved to Texas. Let me explain. Alright everyone, so welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video, and I apologize for not uploading in like 3 weeks. Like I said, it's been a while. And there is multiple reasons why I haven't uploaded a video in about 3 weeks, when I've been, on average, at least been uploading one video a week, sometimes two. 3 weeks is the longest I've gone since I moved to Texas, and I haven't posted since before Thanksgiving, I believe, so it's been a while since I posted. The last video with the trip to Mexico against the Camaro was the last one that I did. Since that happened, work, the job that I do, my full-time job, which isn't YouTube, obviously, yet. Hopefully, that'll become a reality, but as of yet, YouTube ain't cutting it, and I'm going to explain a lot of that, too. I've been working 6 days a week with my job, haven't had the time. I get home, it's about to get dark, obviously, lack of daylight. It gets dark here in Texas around 5:30. Go to Washington, it gets dark at like 4:30, so I mean, you still have a little extra daylight, but still I go home, it's dark, it's been cold, with the exception of today. And also, I got sick with the flu. I've been down for the last almost 2 weeks. I still kind of am kind of sick, kind of still feel like a bag of dicks right now. I'm on the other end of it, so I still feel a little bit better. And then thirdly is this. So this time of year, today's a bad example, because today it's like gonna be 70 degrees, the sun's out, it's a gorgeous day. So today's a bad example, but the weather has just been crap. It's been like, well, crap for like Texas standards. I know a lot of you that are watching are in like a deep freeze, snow, highs in the 20s. Here, highs have been like in the 50s, so Texas standards, the weather has been shit. But we've had rain, we've had overcast skies, combination of the weather and the days that it has been nice. I'm either A, was sick with the flu, like I said, or I've had 1 day to shoot a video and to get everything done, spend time with the family and everything like that. I just haven't had time. And then also, there's been a little bit lack of motivation, and I just kind of needed a break. I needed a break from recording. I've been going at it consistently. Obviously, if you've been following my channel for a while, I've been going non-stop for the last 3 years, 3.5 years. It's been a grind, and I just needed a little bit of a vacation. Combination with that, being sick and lack of time, all three of those wrapped in one is why. So, and I know I'm not the only one with YouTube that has been, this time of year, struggling with drive and motivation. A lot of it because of the weather. It is December. It gets dark, obviously, super early, cloudy, snowy, depending on where you're at, rain, obviously, all that kind of stuff. But then you grind so freaking hard. You spend hours making a video and then hours editing it. And we just lately, and I know other people that, other automotive YouTubers that I follow have had this same problem, so I can relate to them and vice versa. You just don't get back from YouTube, financially wise, in return. So like, for example, the last video I uploaded, now given I'm not a large channel by any means, I'm at like 2,500 subscribers, and there's others that I follow that are 100,000 plus, you know, but still have the same problem in perspective to the size of their channel. But I posted the last video I did, it's got like between 650 to 700 views, which I've had multiple videos do significantly better than that. But then I took a short from that same video, which is the last upload I did. I just put up a short of a roll in Mexico against the Camaro. And I think as of today, it's got just over 13,000 views. Opposed to that same video has less than 700. The same video, but you get paid more revenue off of the views off of a full-length video compared to the shorts. You just get paid pennies. I would have to make that go significantly viral to make any sort of income off that. And 13,000 views for the size of my channel is pretty good, but in perspective, to get paid anything on it, it's shit. So it's kind of frustrating that you make a video, spend a couple hours to make it, a couple hours to edit it, and you don't get anything in return. It seems like YouTube doesn't push the videos as much in the algorithms as they would a short. It's kind of a hit and miss kind of thing. I can slap together a video and I don't think it's going to do very well. I don't think it's going to hit, and that thing for the size of my channel would do pretty good. And the other stuff that I think is going to be a banger, and I did good editing, good content, yada yada yada, it falls on its face. And it's just kind of frustrating that it seems like because of that, the motivation lately, in combination of this time of year, the motivation just hasn't been there. So that's why. But that's not what today is about. Today, it's beautiful. It's sunny. The weather is gorgeous. We're gonna top out today around 70. I got the day off today. Got my son with me today. We're gonna go on a drive. We're gonna go head up some back roads. Take advantage of the weather. It's gorgeous. I've had people ask me to put together some POV style drives. It's been a while since I did a POV drive, so we're gonna do that again. So if you're not subscribed to the channel and you're watching this, please do me a favor, hit subscribe, drop a like and a comment. We would greatly appreciate that. And on that note, let's go get things together and let's go for a drive. Man, you could not ask for a better day. It's December. I don't see a freaking cloud in the sky. Oh, should probably go. 70 degrees. Love it. Thing needs some headers, but Corsa Extremes with headers with the double X pipe, I know it's gonna sound really, really raspy. So if I go that route, if I end up not going turbo and decide I'm gonna get headers, which means I'm probably gonna go some sort of supercharger situation if I go headers, yeah, that's great. Just cut right out in front of me. That's awesome. Gonna sound very raspy with headers with the X pipe, so I'd have to get some sort of like a resonator so it doesn't sound like balls. But what do you think? Headers? Yes? No? Okay, so a quick question for everybody. Sometimes, especially this time of year when the weather's like it is today and other days it's not so good, sometimes, to be completely honest, it is really hard to find good decent content to make. So my question for you is, help me out. What kind of content would you guys like to see me post? I'm open to all sorts of ideas because, to be honest, it's not as easy as you would think to continuously make content week after week, sometimes twice a week to make content. So let me know what you guys would like to see. Drop a comment. I would love your guys' input. If it's more of the stuff I've done in the past, or maybe something I haven't done. So I'm open to all sorts of ideas, and I would greatly appreciate the help. Because like I said, sometimes it's not as easy as you would think to continue to make fresh content on a regular basis. So any input on that I would greatly appreciate. Alright, so we went and did a little bit of Christmas shopping, tried to get some of that out of the way, and I remembered how much I absolutely hate holiday traffic. It sucks. That's why I do most of my shopping online, to avoid all this shit. That Corvette had a little bit of a chop to it. Never been back here. I'm gonna go see where this leads. That's what I thought. Just a little bit of a shortcut.